Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas appetizer that steals the show. A gorgeous Antipasto Skewer Wreath. This is an easy, no-cook appetizer that is stunning on any holiday table. And you can use your favorite cheeses and meats and vegetables. Today I'm just going to show you what I will be using, and I am so excited. So stick around so I can show you just how to make it. All right, so I have some fresh rosemary here and some fresh sage. And I am just going to kind of lay this out a little bit in a circle because we're going to create a wreath. And I just am using an extra long toothpick. I've got some delicious salami, delicious mozzarella ball, and an olive. All right, this time I'm going to use some pepperoni. And some cubed Gouda. And I'm going to make this a double meat. Add some salami. All right, so I've got my Antipasto skewers in my wreath. But now I'm going to add a few other things, and this is what makes these boards so much fun. This is almost like a charcuterie board. I'm going to add just piles of things around the wreath. I'm going to add some mixed nuts. Also going to add some dried apricots. And I'm going to add some dates. And these are the medjool dates. And then finally, I'm going to add some dried figs. A bit more of this rosemary. All right, so when you have a large board like this, the sky's the limit. You can add whatever you want. Be creative. You could add crackers and spreads to this as well. The centerpiece is this beautiful wreath, this Antipasto Skewer Wreath. It's so gorgeous, easy to eat. Just pick them up and there you go. That's all there is to it. Thank you guys so much for hanging with me today. Let me show you how to make this beautiful Antipasto Skewer Wreath. Charcuterie boards are getting more and more popular, and there's just so much that you can do with them. Well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of my upcoming videos. God bless, and I will see you next time.